So, my boys, what's up? So, let's go, my boys. So, what we couldn't do yesterday? Oh yeah, calculator, of course. So, what's the problem was with here? Let's see. Probably with okay, we need to set up selling that. We can't, I think. Sell, yeah. We need to connect sell crates also. So let's do that. How we sell that? In crates viewer, we need local remotes sell crate, I think, right? Yeah, this is buy more. By the way, let's initialize our different buttons. Self crates, pop up more, and let's create here. It will be pop up more. Let's create pop up cell. Pop up cell. Where is it? Sell more. And let's initialize the same buttons. This is model window. Oh wait, buy more buttons, model window, buy more buttons. Okay, no. Okay, let's maybe create local buy more. What is it? Frame, I think. Let's go here. Hello, welcome. Buy more. Let's see what's buy more. Inventory frame. Inside viewer. Yeah, crates. Model window. Yeah. Buy more. How's your day? Great, bro. Great. Thank you. But this is only 1 p.m. for me. Buy more. Buy more. This is buy more frame, I think. Buy more frame equals model window buy more. And here is buy more frame buttons. And here is instead of all of that. Oh wait. Buy more. We don't need buy more frame, by the way. We can do like why I did like so. Model window. Buy more buttons. Buy more buttons. Here's also we can replace model window and buy more. Just pop up. Buy more. Oh yeah, let's do maybe like so better. Buy more. Model window buy more. Just like so, yeah, it's better. And let's copy this one. Let's pop up cell. Sell more. Sell more. Hello, welcome. Okay, pop up cell and sell more buttons. Yeah, sell more buttons. This is pop up cell and buttons. Just sell more buttons. Let's go here, buttons, and here we have cell, activated. Okay, let's copy this one. Just activated connect function, cell, cancel, and max, of course, max. How long do you think this game will take? I don't know any deadlines anymore, bro. So because I've already put deadlines like 30 days, and it's hard to calculate, bro. Really, that's why I don't know. As soon as possible, the one thing I can respond to you. Okay, cell. We need local remotes. Cell selected. Probably we need to create one more event, cell creates. Yeah, because we don't have probably that. Let's go replicate storage, our services, inventory system, infrastructure, local remotes. Yes, we don't have cell crate. Bike, we only have bike crate. Let's place here local remotes, cell crate, crate name amount, and let's go in our remotes factory. No, remote factory we don't need. Let's go in our remotes. Hello Noel. How you doing? Great, bro, great, thank you. All great. Okay, local remotes. We need to create remote cell crate. Yeah, it will be cell crate, definitely. Cell crate, and go here. Remote event cell crate fire server, and we need to receive, of course, this event cell crate by crate. Let's go here by crate under this one, and we just copy this name cell crate and put, let's close these things. Okay, we don't need this one, server remotes. Yeah. Yo, hello guys, hello Eat Me Mary and Profound. Hello bro, welcome. I'm working on anti-cheat because I still don't have any game ideas. Great bro. Anyway, that's good, bro. You make some steps, and this is anyway better than do nothing. So if you wanna develop this, why not? And anyway, you can reuse this system, so I think this is the good thing that you decided to do that. Okay, now we go to our inventory system, application layer, inventory service, and here we need to create another one method, which called, let's see what we have here. Server remotes, by crate. We have by crate. Let's place under by crate cell crate, crate name amount, and let's go to data controller in our infrastructure. I wanted to ask, do you think this game will be popular? I don't know, bro, I don't know, because there's a lot of factors influence on this, but because I don't like imagine about this, dream about this, because bro, everything depends on me. This is first one, and only what I can tell you, this is I'll do my best to make this true. So so I hope yes, of course, yes, and I'll try to do my best, bro. But how it will be in reality, I don't know. We'll see together, and you see the results also with me. So okay, this is double challenge for me, because I wanna make it I wanna make this true, because guys, if it's possible, I wanna show on my example that you can make your game absolutely for free. And it motivates me more because I wanna prove it to myself, to you guys, and motivate a lot of you, if it's possible, to make your first steps. Because I if it's possible, of course, maybe if it's absolutely terrifying will be without advertisement, promotion or something like so. Of course, later I buy probably promotion or advertisement, I don't know. But if it's possible to avoid all of this, this will be great. This will be great, and so pretty hard to predict that. Pretty hard to predict, but I'll try, of course. So let's go data controller. We need to create, under by create, we need to create method which called cell create. Cell create, let's close that. Server remotes we don't need. Oh, maybe we need server remotes, by the way. Oh yeah, cell create, here is cell create. Okay, item amount items. We need to, this is by create. Okay, I think we can delete that, we don't need it anymore. Okay, cell create. Calculate cell we need here. Amount. Calculate cell. Refund. Refund. Okay, here, if refund, we need to minus amount if we have that. If not, just equals to nil. That's it. And inventory item type. If we have that, we just make minus amount. If not, equals to nil. We need to make one check here. Very important, I think. Or we can do that in our price calculator. Let's check that. Calculate cell. So we go here, amount. If amount more than data create amount, data create amount. Okay. So we can do check here, I think. If item minus amount less than 0, then return error. Not enough rates. It shouldn't be like so. This is just double check, because our create price calculator should return possible to sell amounts. So yeah. Okay, what if we return 0? If amount less or equals to 0, then return warn, I think. Zero crates to sell. This is double check, probably will remove it later, I don't know. And what about price? What about price? We refund multiplier, just half we return back. So we do this, refund, update currency, just a price we return here. Let's check our formula. Price, okay, amount more than data create amount equals to okay, and price, create price, multiply by amount, okay, and refund multiplier. Yes, yeah, should be like so. Let's try that. Let's try if it's work. Oh wait, oh yeah. Oh, of course. Cell create, create name, cell selected item name, and amount. Also we need to call that. Buy more, okay, sell more, yes, sell more we need here. And let's do the same here with our pop up more, but here's pop up sell visible to false. Here's also, here's not. Let's try that. Okay, go to our crates, try to sell. Wait, ninja crate, oh, cost 300, yeah. Crate nil not found, okay. Calculate sell, wait, somewhere problems, self crate. So maybe we send the wrong information. Self-selected item name, self-selected item. Let's go, I wanna print this like when we send here. Let's go here, sell ninja crate. Oh yeah, the problem is not here. It means probably I'm not okay, go to local remotes. Maybe I forget to put something here. Looks like so. Local remotes, sell crate, crate name, amount. Let's put maybe here print crate name. Sell crate. Oh, or wait, server remotes, player crate. Oh no, should be right. Okay, let's try again. Ninja crate, yeah. So this is on the server side. On the server side, some problems. Maybe I forget something, I think. Okay, let's go in our server remotes. Remote event, sell create server event. Create name, print create name. Let's do here. Create sell one, for example. So ninja crate. And what's next? What's the problem next? So after all of that, amount, create amount. Inventory, sell crate. Probably in inventory I forget something. Yeah, looks like so, I think. Sell crate, create name, amount. Let's go. See here, print, create name. Ninja crate. Okay, in data controller, that means this is the last step only. Data controller. Sell crate item string. Print item. cell 1. Ninja crate. And what the problem? Ninja crate, survivor crates config. Crate new. Mount data. So the problem is here. The problem is here. Crate nil not found. Crate name. Okay, looks like it fired twice. Really, what the hell? Why it fired twice? Calcul get config crate name. Oh, or crate. Yes, yes. That's the problem. I forget about that. Now should be right. What crates? Or crate, yeah. What in our configs about this? Survivor crates config. Let's check our crate system. Infrastructure config. Survivor crates. Okay, survivor config type. We can get it from here, by the way. Config type. Yes, like so. Survivors crates. Crate name. Maybe like so. Crates cell 1. Compare number to string. If amount I think I know what's the problem. Yes. We need to convert it to number. Local amount equals to number amount. Like this. Nice, let's go. Okay, let's go, my boys. So let's sell maximum. Wait. Price calculator, balance amount price. Why balance is not updated? Let's do the same with amount. Better. Data currency. Data. So the data is not updated. That's the problem. That's the problem. We don't update the data. Create price calculator. We need somehow to update our data here. Actualize our data. Open create. We already have that, I think. Open create. Yeah, we have that. Let's delete all of that. So inventory service we can close, local remotes, data, okay, server remotes I think, and creates here. So maybe we need to send the data here also. We have the data I think here. Yeah, of course we have a data. Maybe we need to actualize the data. Yeah, looks like so, by the way. Oh, self data. Wait, we update the data always here. Calculate by. And the problem, we not update the data here. That's why it's so. Okay. So data, we receive that, and after that we don't change that anymore. Maybe we need to do something like data updater. Like data updater. So survivor creates. Okay, image, we don't need it at all. We don't use images here. Let's delete rarities, by the way. Okay, no, let's comment that. Maybe just for test we'll leave it like so, and by default it should be default. So, data controller. Main data controller, get data. Layer. Okay, maybe let's create a method here also. Get data layer, and just return that. Return get data. Maybe, yeah, maybe you can do like so. So get data, and we can create remotes for that, like get data, or maybe remote function. Maybe remote function get data. Go to our local remotes. Self remote functions. Okay, let's create, maybe it's this method here, function local remotes, get data. Finally made it to the stream after a while. What did you make? Okay, get data, self remote functions, and here's a function called get data, and we need to return that get data. How to call invoke server or something like so. Data invoke server and invoke server. I wanna check that. Remote function invoke server. How it we can use that? I forget about that already. How to use that? Invoke server, yeah, like so. Okay, invoke server. I'm from day 12/17. Of course you don't remember me. Oh, what the hell, bro? That was so long. That was so big absence. Yeah. Welcome anyway. Local remotes, get data, and go to server remotes. And let's create here. What's that? Let's create here, I think. Okay, we need to create remote functions, of course. Local remote function, and this will be remote function on server invoke connect function and where we get data. Where we should to get data. For example, here. After init function creates viewer and data. Self. Okay, local remotes. Get data. Oh wait, I forget. And server invoke. And server invoke. Oh yeah, I bet. Server invoke function like this one. Return 1. Oh wait, I didn't call that method. Self-update data. Let's make that, I don't know, when we like here, self update data. I see a lot done. No, bro, no. I just rewrite the whole my code. That's why there's a lot of new things. Okay. Print 1. Oh, wait. I know what's the problem with that, I think. Get data, return. Grades viewer. Self-update data, right? We call that update data. Okay, just get data. After that, local remote go here. Get data. We call self remote function get data invoke server. Invoke server. We go to server remotes and it should be here. Let's go. No. Maybe we need to put it somewhere better because I don't like that it's here. Okay, let's put it inside. Pop up by more, for example. Yeah, let's go. No, it doesn't work for some reason. Okay, self remote functions. Get data. Okay, let's see, maybe I'm not creating that. Let's go here, here. Inventory system, infrastructure remotes. Get data, we have get data function, so it's not just fired. Remote function on server invoke. Okay, remote function. What is server remotes? Print remote function. Get data, we have remote function. So we have get data. Maybe I just invoke it wrongly. What are you doing? I'm making inventory system and grade system for my game. What game are you doing? You asking yesterday, bro. I remember you. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay, so let's go. We need for some reason we don't invoke this function. Get data invoke server. So we invoke that and it should okay, let's see where is our problem. On what stage? Probably at the beginning, I think. Go to create viewer, update data, self-update data, print 3. Let's go. So yeah, we call that after this one. We go to local remotes, get data. Go to local remotes, get data. Maybe this one. 2. Okay, so after we just not return that. Self remote functions get data invoke server. invoke server. Print one. So the problem with this one doesn't return that. Okay, wait, remote function. Oh, what the hell I'm doing? Get data. Yeah, forget about name our function. Now should work. Nice, yeah. I just forget to call our get data remote function. Okay, return. Here is creates viewer return. Return. Where is get data? Pop up window, something like so. Okay, local data. And I wanna see just print data here. We call that here. There is return our new data. Local remotes, we return that. Server remotes, we need to call our data controller. I think we'll make that by using our inventory again, so let's make it like so. I hope we get the player. Let's print the player. Yeah, we have a player. Nice. Like inside we have the player inside remote events. That's good. This is by default. We have first parameter. This is a player from who we has remote events or remote functions. Okay, here's we need return. Oh no, wait. Inventory. Copy that. Return inventory, get data and just a player. And go inside our inventory service. This is our main script which control the whole our system, inventory system. And let's create here the method get data. And just we need to return. We need to call self data controller get data, and here's just player, and here's also just a player. We can close that, we can close that, I think. Yeah, and we go to our data controller, and here's we get our player's data. Let's see if it's true or not. Yeah, great. So we have the whole player data when we open, and this is very useful because now we can call this function just from any script we want and update data. Just put this method again and it works everywhere, I think. So what we need to do here now with all of that data, of course it shouldn't be here. We copy that and go where we need updated data. Here we need updated data inside our calculator, of course. Calculator yeah, wait, maybe that's a lot of or maybe not. Okay, let's try data, self update data, and instead of this one we just send this one. We just send this one, calculate cell, and the same here, data instead of self data we just put here. So we send updated data always. For example, I want to sell like Okay, I wanna sell all of that. I update my money, and I wanna sell more. I can't. Nice, great. Because I have 0 crates now. I can't. As you see, there's allows me to send only 0 crates to sell. Great. But for example, I wanna buy that. I have money now. So yeah, I can buy only like I can exaggerate the amount of my balance. Great, my boys, great. All work. So this is really good. We can update our data now everywhere, I think. But wait, local remotes. Yeah, that's good, I think. Way how we can do that. Just one remote function and get the data. I hope we don't have a lot of issues with that. Shouldn't be like so, I think. So let's go. Okay. Okay, data controller we can close this. We can close. Create price calculator. Okay. So now we need to put max. Max button we need to connect. Max button. Get Xbox amount. Number, let's make that better, because maybe it looks like a string. Buy more, sell more. Now we need to put maximum, like maximum how much we can set. We can calculate that by using also this, I think, but here is calculate. This is calculate by calculate by. And we need also get Xbox amount. I think get buy. This is buy more. And let's do the same for this one. Calculate sell. Selected sell more. Sell more data. And also, of course, we need to update our UI, where we see how much. Okay, text box. Xbox text equals to amount. We need to get text box here. What is text box for us here? Text box pop up. Let's make like this better. Text box. Text box. Text box. Text box equals amount. This is buy more. And what about this one? What about this one? This is sell more. Let's try. I'm not sure this works, but let's try. Okay, go here. Buy more. 0. True. What about sell? True. What about now? Like buy more? 0. Of course. Because we not update our data again. Or wait, self-update data. By the way, we shouldn't have any issues with that already, I think. So let's go here, maybe buy more. Okay. Yeah, it's work, but after that it's work, but doesn't work this one. No, it's work. What the hell? Sell, buy more. Okay, when we open, we need to calculate that also. We need to do all of that. I think we can put it inside separated function, I think. All of that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat and I'll be here in 20 minutes. back. So I'm feeling bad today, so I think we'll better continue maybe tomorrow, I think, guys, sorry. And I think we can create in a couple of days maybe stream where we play your games, and maybe I give you some feedback about your games. I think it will be interesting. And and maybe we can do some gaming streams. Why not? Because long time we didn't do that, and we play maybe Rivals, maybe some other games, Grow Garden, maybe finally I play. So guys, today is earlier, and we'll see, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, because I need some rest, my boys. So thank you all who watched here, who been here, and I'll inform you in Discord, and bye bye, my boys.